was a sunny summer day. Chunni Munni ran to play. Oh, they saw a slide so long and wide, a water ride they couldn't hide. It was a sunny summer day. Chunni Munni ran to play. They saw a slide so long and wide, a water ride they couldn't hide. Splashy suits and goggles tight, they climbed the stairs with all their might. Up and up to the very top, hearts went boomity-boom non-stop. Ready, set, money, 3, 2, 1. Down they zoomed, oh what fun! Twist and turn and round they go, like fish that swim and waves that flow. Splash! They landed with a cheer, water flying everywhere. Chunni laughed, let's go again. Munni said, it's better than rain. Slide by slide they played all day, splashing worries all away. And when the sun began to set, they smiled and said, best ride yet.